Hello, Bao Quyen.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm happy today. And you?
I am very good, thank you. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Quyên. I'm 6 years old.
Good. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Good. And what do you like to do?
I like read books.
To read books. That's great. And can you tell me what objects can we see in the classroom?
Chairs, desk, book, pencil case, pencil, pen, teacher.
Yes, that's great. And can you open your backpack, please, and take out your book? Can you open your book to page number 32? Good job. Now close your book. And can you pass me a ruler, please? Thank you. Is this a rubber?
No, it isn't.
Is it a ruler?
Yes, it is.
Great job. Now put everything back in your bag, please. Yeah, good. And you can put your bag on the floor. Now, can you tell me what are the primary colors?
It's red, blue, and yellow.
Yeah, and what are the secondary colors?
It's purple, green, and orange.
Yeah, and what color do we get if we mix blue and yellow?
It makes orange.
Blue and yellow
Blue is green.
is green, yes. And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Black. Okay, and what is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a doll.
A doll, good. And what toy is this?
It's a long blue train.
Yeah, you're right. And this one?
It's a beautiful princess.
Yeah, you're right. And what is Sophie's favorite toy?
Sophie's favorite toy is a bike.
Yeah, and what is Mark's favorite toy?
Mark's favorite toy is a kite.
That's right. And can you tell me the shapes? What is this?
It's a red triangle.
And
It's a green square.
yeah, and what about number 4?
It's a blue parallelogram.
Yeah, great job. And what animals do you know?
I know any animal.
You know many animals. So what animals live in the zoo?
It's monkey, elephant, crocodile,
Yeah.
tiger.
Good. And what animals live in the water?
It's crocodile, fish, shark.
Yeah, good. And do you have a favorite animal?
Yes.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a snake.
A snake? Oh my goodness, that's scary. And do you like elephants?
No, I don't.
Do you like lizards?
Yes, I do.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what is it?
It's a dog.
Good. And where do lizards hide?
Lizard hide under leaves.
Yeah, and where do tigers hide?
Tigers hide in tall grass.
Very good. And can you tell me, Bao Quyen, where is the mouse?
The mouse is on the ball.
Yeah, and where is your book?
The book is in my bag.
Yeah, thank you, Bao Quyen. See you next time.